my ear. Or you're licking your paw. I can't tell. Now you're licking my ear. Don't bite it. You're biting it. You bite my ear. Ah! Thank you. Oh, thanks again. Right in my ear. You're bad. You know that? Buffy, now what you doing?